How bad's the tree damage? I don't know. We're gonna do that. All right, it's a Sunday afternoon and Landon and I are in the tow truck. We're headed out to Best Friends to go get a truck. So it's not super stuck, just off the side of a hill. So we should be able to tug them back up and get out of there. So here we go. We're officially on the hunt. We'll go see if we can find them. Supposedly we'll go down here, top out the road forks, and I think that's where they're gonna meet us. We'll see if we can find them.
Trying to get out, and I just get myself against the tree now.
Oh, nice. All right, well, we'll go out there. See,
that's a monster.
Right.
It should get you out of there.
This machine will do it.
It'll do it. Let's go see.
What, third time out?
I was going to use mine, but the angle was bad, and then
we both get stuck.
We thought of I had the right thought, but it went south when the front slid some more. So now we're right against the tree.
Oh yeah, so we got to pull it sideways to get out of the tree. All right. Well, let's go find it. Okay, we found them, and the old Onx never lies, man. We got a pin from them. We converted a Google pin over to Onx, and it took us right to where they were at. So we'll go see how bad this Toyota's stuck. Dang. Hey, there's a hole back there. Good thing is, it's hot out here today.
Yeah.
The temperature's staying under control in this. I think that fan we put in is gonna do it. I mean, time will tell, but I think it's gonna. Let's go
investigate.
Go look at it. Oh yeah. Okay.
So she originally got stuck up here.
I was on the road.
All right.
And she went down.
So it's super soft. And just,
Oh yeah.
She went down to there.
How bad's the tree damage?
None.
None yet.
No, we haven't even hit it yet.
All right.
Actually,
it's touching.
Now it is. It wasn't before, so it must have slid a little.
Slid in. All right. Well.
But that was as far as we were. Like, there's nothing else we could do.
Yep. Exactly. Well, we'll get it up out of here. All right. I'm gonna park right here on top. We'll just run some winch cable down and tug it sideways away from the tree, and then up out. That's soft. It looks soft. Gotta get a little more gear. We're gonna do that. we're rigging this up so we can pull it sideways away from this tree because we don't want to dent this. So we're gonna hook right up around this receiver hitch right here, like so. Then I'm gonna go up and lock everything. We'll tug on this just a little bit and see what develops. Okay, this is what I need you to do. We need to get headsets on, and I need you, we'll start it. Once I get some tug on it, we'll pull it a little bit. I want you to watch this tree and talk to me. I don't want to dent this truck. Okay. All right. I have pulled you away from it, this little lantern wheel. Well, this is not a Toyota, this is a Nissan.
There we go, we're a good foot away from the tree now.
I'm up on top up here. I got land in the truck down there. We got it winched away from the tree. We're gonna start pulling you up here, Lamb.
Okie dokie.
Okay, what I need you to do is put first gear,
Okay.
low range,
Okay.
come forward. Nice and easy. No spinning, just come forward.
Okay, pull a little back.
Is it back hitting?
It's about to.
Okay, don't let me hit it.
Okay, I'm watching it. Okay, you can keep pulling with the front now. You're good.
Okay, I want you to quit going forward. Just let me pull you around. Is the back gonna hit?
No, I think we're good now.
Okay, I'm just gonna let off the brake.
Okay.
Okay, give it just a little bit of gas. Now stop again.
Okay, I think we're clear from the tree now.
Perfect, just let it spin around. I'm gonna pull you right up past this. We're gonna pivot it.
Okay.
Hold on. I don't like what it's doing to this front.
Okay. Holding. I'm getting the AC dialed in this thing. Oh yeah, I'm sweating in here.
All right, I had to run down and reposition. We're gonna pivot this thing right around and come up through here. Then I'll move over and pull them up right there. So it's gonna work. Let off the brake. I'm gonna pivot you around. Okay, I'm gonna unhook one of the winches,
Okay.
the back one, and then I'm gonna have you turn them back up. We're gonna pull you over here. All
Okay.
right, put her in park right there.
Okay.
How much of a dent did they have? Oh, they kissed it a little, didn't they, right there? Yep. Is that as hard as you can turn?
Right there it is.
Perfect. Okay, go back straight. I'm gonna drag you as close as I can. I'll get to the other side. Let's hook the Yankum on and pull you out.
Okay.
We're close. Alright. Alright. There. Put her in park and we'll get her out. Alright, we got the truck behind me. I'm gonna drive up around and then we'll hook the rope on. Tug them right out of here, so. See how this works.
You're out. That's how that happened.
right, that wasn't too bad, was it?
No?
Little winch action, we got him to come right out. The sand is terribly soft out here. Let's head for home. See if we get another call today. Or if we go home and plant the garden, that's what I'm gonna go do. Relax on a Sunday afternoon. All right, it's dark outside, but we got a call to go down in the barracks and pull out a stuck truck. So I got Jace with me. We're gonna go jump in the tow truck and rip to the barracks. They don't look super stuck. Chevy Silverado stuck in the sand, so not buried in the water or anything. We'll tug them out and get home. All right, we've got everything ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and load the Onx pin in. All right, there it is. Stuck truck. All right, got them in our Onx. We'll go track them down and see if we can find them. All right, we're just turning off the barracks road. We got a little dirt road, and we'll see if we can find this guy. All right, so the hunt is on still. We haven't found this guy. We're backtracking. There's a two-way path up here, and we went on the harder path thinking that's probably where he was stuck, but it wasn't there. We bend to the ledge, and the truck in the picture, I don't think went up over the ledge. So we're going back out. We're gonna go see if we can locate him. I don't know where we missed him, but I feel like we've missed him. All right, he wasn't where thought the only other place he could be. We've looked at the pictures, we got down in here, and we've lost service. We didn't download the offline thing on the Onx, so it quit working. So we're running back out, we'll get some service, we'll find the pin again, and we'll go find it that way. We'll call him on the phone. The crazy thing is I don't have service, and I talked to the guy on the phone, so he can't be down in here. Yeah, it turns out he wasn't in the barracks. He was by the highway at the barracks. So we'll go pull him out. This is the spot. We got found him. Interesting. Oh, he's about to slide off into the creek. Nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Found it. All right, let's go see what we can do here.
Sorry, man.
No, you're good.
I saw y'all go by, and like I realized it was a Jeep. I was like, is that them or?
Yep.
I was talking about like.
Probably can't see it. Oh, it's not bad. We can get in front of it and then pull it up, probably. Turn this way. Fast drive. You can put it in drive. There it is. There you go.
I wish I would have realized that was yours when you went by. I would have called you immediately.
Yeah. I should have gone on because I know once you cross the river, there's no cell service.
Yeah.
I didn't think about it.
You can just drive forward and say it.
I'll just pull out of your way.
All right, we learned a valuable lesson tonight. When you're going out of service, always download your map so that you can get them. But we got bad info as well, because we had service to here, and the pin that he gave me was way past here. So I don't know, a little miscommunication, but we got it out, got it back in his camp. So we'll go home and go back to bed. So.